If I told you I use AI to make up to $3,000 a day, you'd probably think I'm running some automated dropshipping store or selling some crappy AI-generated ebooks on Amazon. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, that's not it. What I'm about to show you is how I actually use AI inside my high-ticket consulting business to handle the heavy lifting while I focus on what actually makes money. And no, this isn't some clickbait promise. I've genuinely made thousands of dollars per day in profit with my business in my early 20s, and AI has been one of the tools that helped me scale without burning out or hiring a massive team. But here's the reality check you need to hear right now. AI itself isn't magic. Just because something is AI generated doesn't mean it's automatically better or that people will throw money at you. AI is just a tool, like a hammer or a calculator. And if you think you're gonna sell some $10 AI ebook and get rich, you're delusional. Let me show you the real way to use AI to actually build wealth. So first, let me break down what my business actually is, because context matters. In simple words, I run a high-ticket info and consulting business. That means I'm selling knowledge, transformations, and results to clients who pay me anywhere from $3,000 to $20,000. I'm not selling physical products. I'm not doing affiliate marketing. I'm selling my expertise and my systems to help people start and scale profitable consulting businesses. And by consulting, I also include services in there. AI plays a massive role in how I operate the business efficiently without needing a team of 30 people. AI is not a replacement for strategy. It's not a replacement for understanding your market. It's not a replacement for creating genuine value in your business for your customers. What AI does is multiply your output and save you time on the repetitive stuff that doesn't require your genius directly. Think of it this way. If you are a mediocre business owner, AI is going to help you to be mediocre faster. If you're strategic and you know what you're doing, AI will help you scale faster than you ever could manually. The tool is only as good as the person using it. It's like having a sniper. Just because you have a sniper between your hands doesn't mean you're going to be elite. It's how you use the tool that matters. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Let me show you exactly where I use AI in my business and how it actually makes me money. The first major use case is content creation. I create a ton of content for YouTube. Now this content is what attracts clients to me organically. It builds trust, it demonstrates my expertise, it gets people into my world so they eventually buy from me, and if they don't, they get value from it at least. But creating content every single day used to take me hours, writing the scripts, coming up with the titles, the ideas, the hooks, etc. Now, I use AI to speed up that entire process. So here's what I do. I'll give AI the topic I want to talk about and my target audience, who I'm making the video for. I'll tell it the main points I want to hit, the main lessons I want to share with my viewers, and the tone I want it to use. Then AI is going to generate a rough draft. Here's the critical part. I don't just copy and paste what the AI gives me. That would be lazy, and also it would sound unlike me. It would be robotic. So I make sure it's written in my voice. I add my personal stories. I add specific examples. I inject my personality into it. AI gives me the structure and basically saves me from staring at a blank page for hours. But I'm the one who makes it authentic and valuable. This alone saves me probably, a few hours per video at least. That's many hours every day. I can now spend on sales calls, client delivery, strategy, one-on-one coaching, and that's the whole point. AI doesn't do the thinking for me. It handles what I don't absolutely need to do myself, so I can actually focus on the activities that only I can do within my business. I also use AI in my client communication and follow-up. When you're running a high-ticket business, you're going to talk to a lot of prospects. People reach out to you. They have questions. You reach out to people too. People want to know if your program is right for them. And responding to every single message manually would take forever. So I use AI to help draft responses. I'll tell it what the person asked and what outcome I want from the response. AI drafts it. I review it, I tweak it to sound like me, and I send it. Sometimes I don't know how to respond to someone, and I use AI as well. This cuts my response time down massively and keeps conversations moving forward. Same thing with follow-up emails or email campaigns. AI helps me draft all of these based on templates I've built. Again, I'm not blindly selling AI-generated garbage. I'm using it to speed up the process while maintaining quality and personalization. The other way I use AI within my business is for research and idea generation. When I'm creating a new offer or designing a new program, I need to understand what my market wants, what's their biggest pain points, what solutions they've tried before and failed at, why it hasn't worked, what language do they use to describe their problems. I can use AI to analyze data, pull insights, and generate ideas based on what's working in the market. This helps me create offers that actually resonate instead of guessing and hoping something sticks. For example, I'll feed the AI a bunch of testimonials from past clients and ask it to identify common themes. What problems did they all have before working with me? What transformation did they experience? What language did they use? This helps me craft better marketing messages because I'm using the exact words my ideal clients use. It's strategic use of AI. That's how you actually make money with this stuff. It's not by selling some random $10 ChatGPT ebook. I also use AI to automate administrative tasks. I'm talking about scheduling calls, sending reminders, updating my CRM, tracking metrics, etc. All of that stuff is necessary, but it's not what makes me money directly. AI tools can handle a lot of this automatically. For example, calendar tools with AI can find optimal meeting times. CRM systems with AI can tag and organize contacts. This frees up a lot of my mental space and actual time, so I can focus on the money-generating activities instead of all the small details in the business. The goal is to work on the business, not in the business. Now, let's talk about what AI cannot do for you, because this is where most people get it twisted. AI cannot build relationships for you. High-ticket sales require trust. People are paying thousands of dollars. They need to believe in you as a person, not just in your product. No AI tool can replace you showing up on a sales call yet. We'll see about that in the future. Listening to someone's problem and genuinely helping them see the path forward. That's human connection, and I believe it's irreplaceable. It can get close with AI in the future, I believe, but I think we'll still prefer humans anyway. AI cannot create your unique value proposition. It can help you to articulate it better. It can help you refine your messaging, but the actual unique value you bring to market comes from your experiences, your insights, your personality, what you want to do. AI doesn't have that. You do. So if you're trying to build a business that's just copy-pasted AI content with no original thought, you're building on sand. It's not gonna last. AI cannot handle client delivery at a high level by itself. Sure, AI can help you create course materials or draft resources, but when a client is stuck and needs personalized guidance, that's on you. When someone needs accountability and a kick in the ass to take action, that's on you. When someone hits a roadblock specific to their situation, that's on you. AI can support the process, but it cannot replace the high-touch, high-value service that justifies high-ticket pricing. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's the real framework for using AI to make money. Step 1. Build a legitimate, high-value offer. Something that genuinely transforms people's lives or businesses. Something worth paying serious money for. If your offer sucks, AI isn't going to save you. Step 2. Use AI to create more content faster so you can build an audience and attract clients organically. But make sure that content is still authentically you. Step 3. Use AI to speed up your operational tasks like communication, admin work, research. This frees up a lot of your time for high leverage activities. Step 4. Focus your human energy on the things only you can do. Sales, client delivery, strategy, relationship building, working on the business. That's where the money is made. That's how you scale. Growing up in the low middle class taught me one of the most powerful lessons about wealth building. The rich don't work for money. Money works for them. Now, at first, you do have to work for money. But the point is, we all have the same 24 hours a day. No one ever worked 100 hours a day. It's physically impossible. You can grind yourself into the ground, sacrifice every weekend, work every holiday, and you will still hit a ceiling because there's only one you. You only have so much time. And that's the trap most people fall into. They think working harder or longer hours is the answer. But working harder or longer in a system that caps your earning potential is just running faster on a treadmill going nowhere. The real game is leverage. It's building systems where money comes in, whether you're working or sleeping. It's using tools like AI to multiply your input. It's hiring people to fulfill services while you handle sales and strategy. You can even outsource sales. It's creating digital products that sell on repeat without you touching them. Now, here's the reality check. When you're just getting started, you will have to trade some of your time for money. And that's completely okay. We all start there. You might need to do the client work yourself. You might need to write your own content manually just the first couple times. You might need to handle every detail because you can't afford to delegate yet. That's not failure. That's the foundation. But here's the critical difference. You're trading your time for money, yes, but with the explicit goal of building something that eventually runs without you and makes you more money while you work less. You're not settling into a comfortable salary. You're not accepting this as your permanent reality. You're using this phase as a stepping stone, learning the skills, stacking the capital, building the systems so that in 6 months, a year, 2 years from now, you're no longer in the same position. Most people trade time for money their entire lives because they never build a bridge to the other side. Don't be most people if you want to be free. Trade your time now, but build your leverage simultaneously so you're not trapped in this rat race forever. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. AI is a powerful tool, but only in the hands of someone who understands business fundamentals. If you're trying to use AI to shortcut your way to wealth without building real skills, real value, real relationships, you're going to fail. But if you're already committing to building a legitimate business and you use AI to multiply your effectiveness and productivity, you can scale faster than ever before. Stop looking for magic solutions. Stop thinking some new AI tool is going to change your life overnight. The tool doesn't matter. Your strategy matters. Your work ethic matters. Your ability to create genuine value matters. AI just makes all of that more efficient. So if you're serious about building wealth in your 20s, focus on building a high-ticket offer that transforms lives. Use AI to speed up content creation and admin work. But show up as a human for the parts that matter most. Sales, delivery, strategy. That's how you actually make $3,000 a day. Not by selling some random shitty AI ebooks that nobody needs. Not by automating everything and hoping money appears. By building real value within your business for your customers and using AI as the tool it's meant to be, as a multiplier, not as a replacement. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.